In this video, I'll walk you through the process of banning anyone who swears on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. To maintain a safe and respectful environment for players, banning those who swear on Roblox helps prevent toxic behavior and ensures compliance with community guidelines. If you encounter a player using inappropriate language in a Roblox game, it's important to take steps to maintain a safe and enjoyable gaming environment. Roblox provides tools to address such situations by blocking or reporting the offending player. First, locate the offending player's username within the game. Click on their username to open a menu. This menu will display a set of 4 options. From there, select the option labeled Report Abuse, which is typically at the bottom. After selecting Report Abuse, a new window will appear. This is the Report tab, where you can detail the issue. Begin by selecting the type of abuse. If the issue relates to inappropriate text in the chat, choose Text Chat. Alternatively, if the behavior involves their avatar, select Avatar. Since you clicked on their username, the player should already be pre-selected for the report. Next, choose the most appropriate reason for reporting from the available options. For example, if the player was swearing, select Swearing. Use the description box to provide additional details about the incident, such as the specific words or actions that were offensive. Once you have completed all the fields, click the Submit button to finalize your report. By following this process, Roblox's moderation team will be alerted to the issue. Depending on the severity of the offense, the player may face restrictions or even a ban, helping to ensure a more respectful and secure gaming experience for everyone. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.